Hi students, welcome to our EVS class. So we are learning block 18.4. Today we are going to learn about our own planet, the planet on which we are living. What are the features of the planet Earth we are going to learn today. On the screen you can see the picture of the Earth, right? So let's move on and learn more.
We have already
learned about the planets, the sun, the moon. Today we are going to learn about the features of Earth that make it different from other planets. What is so special about the Earth? Temperature. What is the meaning of the word temperature? How cold or hot something is. So now let us watch this video.
Earth is the only planet that has living things. We can live on Earth because it is at the right distance from the sun and is neither too hot nor too cold. Earth has water and air that living beings need. Air helps us to breathe, and water helps us to live.
Which things did you choose that help living beings to grow? Living things need air, water, and proper temperature, right? So air, water, heat, and light from the sun can help living things grow. Earth is also at the right distance from the sun, which makes it neither too hot or too cold. Because the earth is at the proper distance, it is neither freezing nor it is very, very hot. So here are some features which we are going to tick. What is it? Things and situations about Earth. Air, yes, it's possible on Earth. Air is there. So water, yes, it's there. Planet is neither too hot or cold, right? Remaining things you can read, but they don't apply for our planet Earth. So which features of the Earth make it suitable for the plants and animals to live here? Plants and animals are able to live on Earth as there is air and water. Earth also has the right temperature. The air also protects the living things from harmful rays of the sun. What if Earth was the second planet in the solar system? Earth would have been much hotter. There would perhaps be no life on the Earth. So let us open the worksheet. Which of the pictures shows Earth? Picture A is Earth. You can look at it. Picture B is a planet, so don't tick it. Now let us read this small passage. Underline 3 features of Earth. After reading this passage, you have to underline what is right, what is true about Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Yes, it moves around the sun. Earth has water and air. Please underline Earth has water and air. And Earth moves around the sun. Underline it. All planets and animals need air to breathe. The water on Earth is found in rivers, lakes, oceans, seas, and underground. Yes, you can underline this. It is neither too hot or not too cold. So what are the things that you are going to underline? Moves around the sun, second sentence. Has water and air. Okay. And it is neither too hot nor too cold. That words you can underline. Third question, what could happen if Earth was far away from the sun? If Earth was far away from sun, it would have been very cold there and cold and freezing. Now let us open the content book and let us read this lesson. You can see the beautiful picture here. You can see our Earth. It's the third planet here. Earth is round like the sun and moon, but it is slightly flattened on the north and south poles and bulging at the center. The shape of the Earth is very important because there will be questions about the shape of the Earth. The shape of the earth is geode. Geode or spherical. Geode is the right word because it is bulging at the center and it is slightly flattened on the poles. So this is North Pole and this is South Pole. It is slightly flattened here. So Earth is the only planet in solar system that supports life. Plants and animals are able to live on the earth because it has water and air. Earth also has right temperature needed for living things to grow. It is neither too hot nor too cold because it is at perfect distance from the sun. The air present on the earth also protects us from some harmful rays of the sun. Meanings: poles, the points on the earth's surface that are far north and south, bulging, extending outwards. Temperature, how hot or cold something is. Now let's answer the practice questions. What does the earth have that other planets do not have? Satellites such as the moon? No. Plants and animals. So plants and animals is the right answer. Rocks and minerals are there in other planets also. But earth is the only planet which has life. So please tick option B. Second question, what is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is geode. What is the meaning geode? The word geode means spherical and slightly flattened on the poles. Okay, North Pole and South Pole. Third question, how is air important for living things? Living things need air to breathe, and also air protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. Right? So this was the content book and practice questions. We have already answered the questions in the content book. So do read the lesson once again and complete your work. That's all